Dear students, today we are going to learn how to solve a simple problems on power and power factor in AC single phase circuit. In that, let us discuss an example problem on power in pure resistance circuit. The example problem is calculate the power taken by an incandescent lamp rated 250 volts when it carries a current of 0.4 amperes when the resistance is 625 ohms as shown in figure 1. Here the circuit diagram has given. In that we can observe the values of voltage, current and resistance. Solution. Given data, the given values are rated voltage of the lamp V is equal to 250 volts, resistance of the circuit R is equal to 625 ohms and current of the circuit I is equal to 0.4 amperes. Here we must find the value of power of an incandescent lamp. We have an equation to find the power. P is equal to VR into IR. Substitute the given values in the equation. We get 250 into 0.4. That is equal to 100 watts. Here we have another way to solve the problem, that is power P is equal to E square by R. Substitute the given values in the above equation. We get 250 whole square divided by 625. That is equal to 100 watts. Therefore, power taken by an incandescent lamp P is equal to 100 watts. This is the required solution. Bye bye students. See you in the next module.